Today I'll show you how to install Python with VS Code. First, you need to install one VS Code. For that, just go to the browser, then type VS Code. You find that website here. Then just click here, download for Windows. Then you will find download option or you click download it. After completion of the download, you can just open that file and follow the steps. Just go to next. Likewise, then you can install the VS Code. I have already downloaded and installed this one. I will show you here. VS Code. You can just download that VS Code and open that file and just follow the steps. That is easier. Now, next step, after install that VS Code, you have to search for Python. Just search for Python. Here, you can find the python.org websites. Here in the download section, there is a download for Windows Python 3.13. That is the latest version. You can just download this one. That is now open here. I have already previous one. Now open this one file. Then okay, I have already installed Python. First of all, I will uninstall that. Now I have uninstalled that previous one. Now let's follow the steps. Again, open, click here, open that file, then go to the customize installation. We needed all things here. Then go to next. Also take this uninstall Python 3.13. Also add that Python to the environment variables. Now go to install. Yes, Python will be installed. Was successfully installed. Okay, close that. Now let's check either that is installed or not. For that, go to the CMD, source is CMD, then press here, run as admin. Then yes, now type here Python space dash version. Then press enter. Now there is a Python 3.13 install. Okay, let's check either that is working or not. For that, type py, that is shortcut for Python. Now you can see that message and type here. If I just add two numbers, 3.4, 3 plus 4, it means 7. Okay, if I print something, print with JP, Josie. Okay, bracket close, press enter. That is a printed. Okay, now we have to run the code in the VS Code. Run the Python in the VS Code. For that, we have to go to the VS Code here. Source VS Code we have installed previously. Then open it here. Okay, before that, I will make one folder here from the outside, or you can just create a folder from the VS Code also, but I'll make it from here. Project, our right name's project. Then go to the VS Code, open folder, then press the desktop. Here it is. Now select it. Now I'll create one file here. I'll create demo.py. Py means Python, the shortcut of Python extension, you can say. Now there will be one message here at the bottom. We have to install the Python extension. If you didn't get that message, you can go to here extension, then search here Python. Then you can find Python extensions here. We need these two that from the Microsoft. You can directly install from here, or you can just install from here. Okay, this one also will be installed automatically. Close this one. Now these two are installed successfully. Now close this one and go to here. Now here you can type the Python program. If I type print welcome welcome, then you can just first of all Control S to save the file. I'll press Control S, or you can right click here, right click, then go to run Python, run Python in terminal file here. You can find the message here welcome is as output. Okay, in terminal. You can also run from here at the top, go to run, start debugging, okay, then you will find here welcome also. If you go to start debugging, you might need to choose the debugger. If there is a message in the first run, you might need to choose the debugger. You can select start debugging. Now another option, you can select Python debugger or whatever there is. Okay. Or either you can just right click here and choose the run Python file and run Python file in the terminal. Okay, we'll do another program. For that, if I say a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3, then print sum. Okay, sum is equal to outside a plus b. Okay. I'll use comma here. Okay. Now run the start debugging. Now there will be sum is equal to 6. Okay. Now Python is working successfully, and you can learn the Python and try it here. For learning Python, you can just go to their documentation here. In documentation, you can find everything. Here you can find how to learn Python from 0 to advanced. There is also documentation, community supports, whatever you need. Okay, thank you so much. Hit the like button.